Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are here again to compare the H11 smartwatch with our previous rugged outdoor style smartwatch. And this time, H11 versus the TK25 smartwatch. We will compare the two wearables in terms of design, the specs, as well as the loaded features. So if you are interested to see the difference between the H11 smartwatch versus the TK25 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe now to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Alright, so let's begin and compare the H11 smartwatch with the TK25 smartwatch. Before we compare the design of the two smartwatches, let's go first with the packaging. So the H11 do have a simple package here. We do have some details on the side, including the features. Okay, and at the back we do have the QR code for the support app. Okay, so this is the packaging of the H11, and it's using the Lexus Fit application. While for the TK25, we do have some icons here, much simpler compared to H11. And we do have here the different color for the wearable. We have the beige black, beige green, black, and green. Then at the back we do have the specifications. Okay, so the wearable is compatible with Android and iOS. So this smartwatch is using different application for its support app. At least I think at least 2 applications is available for this wearable, and it is available on Android and iOS. Okay, I'm going to list it later on the specifications. So simple approach for the TK25 smartwatch. Okay, so much better looking. Okay, more durable for the H11 smartwatch. Okay, so we're done with the packaging here. Let's proceed with a smartwatch. Okay, so both do have a flexible silicone sporty strap. We do have a rectangular design. We have a crown button here. Okay, let's turn this on first. And the other one, we do have a plastic frame, same with our H11 smartwatch with a crown button. Okay, also rotary. Okay, it's also rotary here, but on the bottom part for our H11 we do have a flashlight, while for our TK25 it is a, I think it is a settings, and this one, I think this one can be set. Okay, can be changed to sports, settings, and other features. Okay, at the back both do have a plastic cover here. For the H11 we do have a wireless port, wireless charging, pogo pin for our TK25, but both do have a flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin. On the other side, sporty looking, but I like the H11 here. It looks more improved. It looks more classic compared to our TK25. Again, for the design, the back, on the other side. Okay, so let's compare. Let's check on the dimension of the wearable as well as the weight. Okay, so let's now check the dimension of each smartwatch. So let's go first with the H11 smartwatch. So for the width of the wearable, we do have 41, while for our TK25 it is around 42. So more than 1 millimeter wider than the H11. For the length, so it is around 54 for the TK25. For our H11, we do have 50. Okay, for the thickness, let's check. For the TK25, we have 14 again. So for 12.1. For our H11, we have the same 12.1 or 12.0. So just a minor difference when it comes to the thickness. Okay, so for the weight, with the strap attached, okay, for the grams, we have 50.75 for the TK25, while for our H11 smartwatch, it is just around 47 or 48 grams. Again, TK25 we have 50.78, H11 we have 47.90, much lighter. Okay, so that's it for the dimension and weight. Now let's proceed to the specifications of each smartwatch. Again, both do have a plastic body frame. Wireless charging for our H11, magnetic charging for our pogo pin charging for our TK25. For the specifications, 1.96 inch for the H11, 2.02 inch for our TK25. If you notice here, the screen display for the TK25, the black border is very slim compared to our H11. Okay, for the connectivity, both do have the Bluetooth 5.2, 50 days, both do have a 50 days of standby time, 380M waterproof, IP68. Okay, Android 4.4 and above, Android 5.0 and above. Both do have a support for iOS 9.0 and above platform. Again, the H11 do have a much smaller screen display compared to our TK25 with a 2.02 inch screen. 1.96 inch screen display, 2.02 inch screen display, 380M, IP68. For the battery life, I think they have the same battery life. Okay, you can check out the specifications here for TK25 as well as the H11 here, including the support app. So which do you think is much better in terms of the design as well as the specifications? Drop a comment below. Okay, so now that we are done with the design as well as the specifications, let's proceed with the offered features. Let's go first with the UI. On top we have notifications, the same layout. On the bottom part, we have a one-page dashboard here for the different applications. So the same style of UI here. On the left side, yep, the same approach when it comes to the UI design. On the left side or on the right side, we have the widgets. I think they're just using the same operating system. As you can see here, the icons or the design, the graphics is just the same. Okay, Anyway, we will check if they have the same offered features. Go back. To access the main menu, just press the power button. So we have here the sports. So the same features here, just different style of icon. Sports, let's see, badminton, basketball. We have the bowling, boxing, okay, elliptical machine, football. Yes, we have a football here also. Free training. We have the gymnastic. Again, going back, bowling. Then elliptical machine, okay, free training, gymnastic. Yes, we have it here. Hip hop, we also have it here. Indoor skating and jump rope. Okay, we have a climb. Yes, the same. We also have a ride or cycling, rowing machine. We also have running, squat, stepper, stretch. I think they have the same number of sports. Treadmill, even the icon here is the same. Record and volleyball, and that's it. Okay, so the same number of sports, the same list of sports functions. We have the sleep monitoring, the same icon here. We have pedometer, even the heart rate here is just the same. We have a blood pressure monitoring, blood oxygen. Yes, we have message notifications, dial, Bluetooth music, weather, breathing guide. We have the calculator, alarm, sedentary reminder, stopwatch, taking photos here. We have voice assistant, find phone. We have the same games also. Settings, torch, short video control. We have the calendar, contacts, the same social apps as you can see here. Drink water reminder, language. Okay, we don't have a language support here, doesn't show. QR code, okay, we have it here. Okay, just, yes, the same. Okay, menstrual cycle, we have rebuffed here about, let's see, and that's it. So there's no uric acid, blood sugar, and blood fat. And of course, there's no built-in flashlight. Okay, so let's check. So what's the difference? I think it's on the additional health and the built-in flashlight. Up view. Let's go to the settings. I want to see the version of the operating system. You have the about section here. Up view, general, about. Okay, TK25, let's see, version 1.4, and we have here 1.1. Release date 2025. Release date here is 2024. So the latest is the H11 Smartwatch. Okay, going back, let's check the watch faces. So which do you think is better? So in terms of the offered features, the H11 do have a and additional offered features when it comes to health functions. And of course, there's a built-in flashlight. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the H11 Smartwatch versus the TK25 Smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding this video, just drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.